Hello everyone, my name is Vibhor Bhatnagar and I'm pursuing MSc Data Science from Symbiosis, Pune. So today I'm going to talk about how data analytics can predict and improve air quality in Indian cities. In today's world, like where there are a lot of construction happening all over the globe, at the same time air quality is getting degraded day by day. So here's an trying to offer an actionable insights where it can with the help of data science and data analytics. So, why air quality matters? If we are talking in general, then air quality impacts our life in two ways: health impact and economical impacts. Let's talk about health impact first, as we tend to prioritize our health as first. If the air quality is poor or below 100 AQI, then air around us is unhealthy and it may cause respiratory diseases. In the same way, if it can impact our economic if as it tends to reduce our productivity rate and increase the cost of healthcare due to air pollution. And the affected cities in India are Delhi, Mumbai, Patna, and Kolkata, which are severely impacted due to low air quality and which can cause a lot of health related issues. The roles of data analytics. If we are saying the role of data analytics, there are mainly three parts: data collection, data source, and data volume. The data which is collected from central Central Pollution Control Board and various APIs that are real-time data. And the data are collected in the form of particulate matter 2.4, 2.5, and 2.10, and NO2 and SO2, where NO2 denotes nitrogen dioxide and SO2 denotes sulfur dioxide, which are relatively harmful for our health. And as the data is generated in a timely manner, and it is using so many APIs and devices and sensors, those are collecting the data and in a huge number of volume, so that it can be used for predictive models and predictive models. Predictive model approach, we are using tools such as Pythons, Pandas, and sklearn, which are used for data cleaning and data pre-processing. In pre-processing, we are handling missing values, which might be due to the lack of sensors or lack of monitoring issues, so these can be eliminated for the better performance and better prediction of any models. So the models we are talking about are basically classification models, which are usually used in time series predictions like LSTM and random forest. And if we are talking about LSTM models, the techniques used to implement and remove any anomalies and to predict in a specific time frame, we are using sliding window. If we are talking about sliding window, let's see, if we are taking a range of time period, let's say 2016 to 2022. So in this period of time, we can see the variation of air quality as we were subject to COVID pandemic, right? In the year 2022 to 2020, from the year 2020 to 2022. So where the air quality have gradually increased a lot as most of the construction works were stopped, where industries were not working in proper, and so the air quality have improved and drastically changes. So in for the better understanding, I have used this time frame to understand the air quality, how it impacting our health. So yeah, so moving forward, as a result of our model, was able to achieve around 94% air quality predictions. So in this prediction, we were able to achieve reliable and precise air quality forecast on many of the cities. And the cities that we have looked forward, it was Delhi on the month of October. we were able to see a lot of spikes in air quality. Like it is getting harmful. The air quality index tend to reach around 400 to 450, which is like harmful for human, and no how human can survive a long time for that. So these were usually affected due to stubble burning and a lot of industrial companies working in at that time. So that was the cause the such for a such a huge air quality index. So let's move forward. So business and social impacts. So with this model, we can generally create an alert system for our users, or for the citizens who are living in those cities, as we have mentioned earlier, like Delhi, Mumbai, Patna, and Kolkata. These are like hugely impacted due to low air quality index. So we can surround an alert and distribute an alert for the citizens who are living in those areas and those cities, by implementing the policies and information that we can achieve from this data. And with a better planning, we can definitely spread an awareness for the citizens, like how to take precautions and the necessary attention for healthcare routine into day-to-day life, like implementing air filters in homes and some other methods that can be used, and planting more trees, like that. So it can improve a lot of health benefit, and it can be used for public awareness as well. So finally, my final thoughts on this, as we know, data analytics and can transform air quality management. With this data-driven approach is essential for better health of public and environment for sustainable India's. Data-driven insights and actionable strategies to reduce pollutions, and implementing healthcare benefits so that it will benefit for a better respiratory and overall well-being of a human being, and the sustainable policies that can support in a long term for better health and care. Thank you for your time.